Hello and welcome to this week's video. Today we're looking at Wakelet again, but this time we're going to focus on how you can use it in relation to creating and sharing moments from Twitter, and how you can also use it to import your Storifys. So those of you who use Storify allows you to collate a number of posts on Twitter and then share them related to a hashtag or a particular account. And as of May the 16th, it will be no longer available. Now you have an option to stick with Storify 2, but that requires you to purchase a live fire license. So if you're looking for a free browser-based service, then you may want to look at Wakelet. So we're going to start by doing an import from Storify. So it's very straightforward. You've got a button here. You click on that. You put in your username. And then it provides you with your Storifys. You hit select and you can select, I'm going to select them all, the ones that I want, and then you can do that. So it will work through that queue and start to import those for you. So whilst it's doing that, I'll go back to the home page. So you can, as well as importing from Storify, you can create your collection, as I showed in my previous video. And we're going to just call this one, just for the purposes of this. And then you could put in a further description. So this could be a great way if you use Twitter with your students. You could have a hashtag for your course or a hashtag for the discussion you're having, and then you could collate all of your tweets, maybe add a cover image, and then share those curated tweets with the students so they can refer back to them. So I can add an image. Let's wait for it to do that. And once we've added the image, we can also alter the crop of that image. So I'm quite happy with it as it is. And then if I click on add from Twitter, it'll ask to link to my account, which I've already done. And then I can put in the hashtag that I want to search, and it will bring in all of the tweets with that hashtag. So we can see we've got a number here, and I can select all 50, so that's the most recent 50, or I can go through and just select certain ones that I'm interested in. I can go through, select the ones I'm interested in and click add. Those tweets will then appear. I can click on the easy reorder and I can just move them in order to get them at the order that I want. And then when I'm happy, if there are any I don't want, if I roll onto them, I can delete them. If I'm happy with that, I can click save. I could also add a background image. So let's save that as it is for the moment. I can add a contributor, and I could also share that. So we go back to home. I've got it there, and at the moment it's private. If I make it public and save, or unlisted and save it, I've got the option to embed it, or I can share it via social media or by copying the link. So there you have it, an alternative to Storify if you're looking to curate and make use of your tweets, or you want to focus your students' attention on maybe tweets from a lesson or a workshop they attended. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to share it, like it, and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.